Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm on Google Sharon. In today's video is all about hair care and natural hair love. I'm going to be preparing my hair for my next hairstyle. Let's get to today's video. First, I'm going to begin the video by preparing a DIY hair mask. So for this, first I'm going to prepare some onions. I already prepared 2 medium-sized onions and washed them well. So all I'm going to do is to grate my onions. So for this, you can use a blender if you have a blender at home. If you don't have a blender, just go ahead and use a grater. And then right now all I'm doing is I'm just going to get the rest of my onions that are not shredded well with that knife. And then moving on, I'm going to add half of my onions to my little tiny beautiful jar right there, or container right there. And then I'm going to add some water to it, and then I'm going to set it aside. So if you want to store that onion juice for a longer period of time, you can use distilled water, or you can boil water and then you cool it and use it. So moving on, let's move on to the next step. When our onion juice is still settling, I'm going to add the rest of my onions to my pan right there, that mini beautiful pan that I have right there. And then all I'm going to do is to add my liquid coconut oil to my pan. I added 10 tablespoons exactly, and then all I'm going to do is to fire up my stove, and then I'm going to cook my onion oil for 10 minutes. You can do it for 7 to 10 minutes. And then all I'm going to do is to turn off my stove and let my onion oil cool. So while our oil is cooling, moving on, let's go ahead and finish preparing our onion mask. Our hair mask. So for this, I have this olive oil mask that is really helping me a lot, you guys. You can check it out. You can buy any olive oil mask from a boutique near you, or anywhere you can get it. So I added 5 tablespoons of my olive mask to my container right there, or to my bowl right there. And then all I did was to just strain my onion juice to our bowl with our olive oil mask. And then all I'm going to do is to just use my hand mixer right there to mix well to make our mask thicker. So for this, you can use a whisk to do that too. So when our mask is ready, I'm going to set it aside. Moving on, our oil is now cold. I'm now going to strain it. So for this, I'm going to use my little container again. I'm just going to use my sieve to strain my oil as shown in the video, and then I'm going to use my spoon to squeeze my oil out really well as shown in the video. You don't want to waste any of your oil after going through so much to make it. I'm going to squeeze it really well out as shown in the video, and then I'm going to set it aside. So for the olive oil mask, you can replace it with any of your masks that you have at home, any of your hair masks that you have at home. So moving on, I'm going to transfer my oil to my little bottle that I have right there. I'm going to carefully add my oil into that bottle that I have right there, and then I'm going to cover it really well. So this bottle has like a lid that will really help me to apply the oil on my hair. So you can use any bottle that you have at home. So now let's go ahead and apply our mask to our hair. So I already prepared my hair, I already detangled my hair. So all I'm going to do is to just divide my hair into 4 sections as shown in the video, and then all I'm going to do now is to just apply my mask to my hair very well, and then after applying the mask I'm going to twist the section that I am already done with as shown in the video, and then I'm going to apply the rest of the mask to the other sections as shown in the video. So I'll leave you to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. So you guys, I'm back, and right now all I'm going to do is to massage my mask to my oil thoroughly, and then I'm going to cover my hair with my shower cape for at least 60 minutes. And then as you can see right now, after 60 minutes, here I am. So for the comb I'm holding, I have that green white tooth comb. So I'm going to use it to detangle my hair again, to get rid of any knots that are remaining in my hair, to give me an easy work. I have a very tangly type of hair, you guys, so I have to take each and every step that I do to detangle my hair, you guys. So I'm going to detangle my hair as shown in the video, and then moving on, I'm going to turn on my shower, and then I'm going to wash off my mask. So I'm going to wash off my mask thoroughly as shown in the video. I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair as shown in the video. So for this I used Nice and Lovely hair conditioner and shampoo. You can use any shampoo, any of your favorite shampoo that you have at home, it's your choice. And then I'm going to wash my hair thoroughly. So moving on, right here, after washing my hair, I'm now just going to recomb it again as shown in the video. I'm sorry about that. I'm going to comb my hair to detangle it again, and then moving on, I'm going to go in with my blow dryer, and then I'm going to blow out my hair as shown in the video as I detangle it with my comb as shown in the video. So if you don't want to use it on your hair, you can just detangle your hair and then braid it. So moving on, I'm going to be dividing my hair as shown in the video as I apply my oil to my hair, and then I'm going to divide my hair, apply the oil, and then I'm going to massage the oil to my hair thoroughly as shown in the video. So I'll leave it to watch me for a little while and I'll be right back. So as you can see, my hair is now fully moisturized. So moving on, I'm going to do a quick protective hairstyle that I always do on my hair. So I'm just going to quickly divide my hair as shown in the video. I'm going to divide my hair as shown in the video, and then I'm going to braid 4 lines as my protective hairstyle, and then I'm going to use my onion oil again to moisturize my hair. I'm going to apply my onion oil again on my cornrows and on my scalp. I'm going to massage it well. So I'll leave you to watch me do my quick protective hairstyle as shown in the video, and I'll be right back. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. You can also follow me on Instagram. Check me out on Instagram, and I'll be grateful if you subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.